So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. HTML 20th video, HTML meta tag. So what is a meta tags? Meta tag is nothing but the information. So under that we are going to talk about, this is the link. Under that we are going to talk about the head tag, we're going to talk about the meta tag, and we're going to talk about the base tag. So we know about the head tag. Head tag is nothing but if we talk about your HTML, the HTML will have the head and the body. What is head? It will give the information about the page, the title. Without the head, you can't able to identify the human. So such kind of thing is called as head tag, and you got a lot of things, information about the head tag. Now the meta tag is nothing but the information about the web page. So what kind of information? What is the description of the page? What are the keywords used? And who created this one? Who is the author? And when is the expiry date? And which browser it will work? What kind of character set you can use it? Such kind of information. The information about the web page which is specified in the head tag to inform to the browser or Google to tell that this page will have this information. So such information is called as meta tag. The information about the web page is called as meta tag. You are able to see meta, character set, Unicode text format 8. I got the web page which is a format of this one, and I got the web page and the web page description is this one. Okay, this is how your meta tag is. And on the other hand, you got the base tag. This is not the base mandatory tag, but specifying the base tag is really good for SEO, search engine optimization. What is a base tag, sir? Base tag is nothing but every page. I got a Wikitiki is a very complex, big site. It is a big website. In that big website, you got a lot of pages. The base web page is your homepage, wikitiki.com. Which one is considered as the base web page? That is specified with this base tag. Okay, these are the tags available under the meta tag.